lot of people ask me, how did I make 200K in just 8 months? This is exactly what I did. First thing you're gonna do is pick a niche. This is gonna be a topic of interest. This could be real estate, pets, fitness, fashion, relationships, health and fitness, anything like that. What you're gonna do is you're gonna Google high ticket affiliate programs in that specific niche. Pick a product that is interesting to you, that you trust. You're gonna read the reviews on it, make sure it's a good product, buy it if you want. Then you're gonna create one sales funnel around that specific product. Then you're gonna create one email list around that specific product. The reason for the email list is so that you can follow up with people. You can even promote more products about that specific niche that you chose. Then you're gonna start a social media account around that specific topic. You're gonna post a link to the sales funnel in your profile for that product, not the product link itself. Put the link to the sales funnel. Once you get a following, people start entering into that sales funnel, and as soon as they buy that product, you're gonna earn a commission. Now the content part is the easy part. It's the sales funnel and the email list that get people really caught up. Now I spent hours and hours trying to learn this stuff on Google and never could figure it out. Now if you don't want to deal with any technical stuff like I don't, then check the link in my profile for a 90% done for you option.